Hey y'all, have you watched our previous video where what'd we do?
Scaled a fish.
I scaled a fish and little Miss Homemaker watched me and learned. This was my first time to scale a fish. We're in Florida. And this is a red snapper. We got this yesterday. It had been caught in the Gulf of Mexico the night before. And we're about to stuff it and eat it. So I don't feel any more scales on it. There's one or two. Fish is so healthy for you. Do you know that? It really is. It's got healthy oils. We're going to stuff this guy. Okay, so here's my pan. We're going to put him in a minute. I'm going to let you help me because I've got this raw fish on my hands, and you know the rule about raw meat and cross-contamination, so I don't want to touch things. So you're going to help me. So, Little Miss Homemaker, open the MCT oil, and you're going to need to, well, I'll just do this. Okay, squirt a little bit in the pan. I'll a little bit more. Okay, we're just grease it a little bit more. That's enough. Okay, we're just going to get the pan greasy because I don't want to have anything baked on or have to clean too much. Okay, we got our fish and actually all of this at the Destin Ice Seafood Company, Market and Deli. So this is a crab meat stuffing. It says it's got crab, butter, breadcrumbs, onion, green onions, bell peppers, parsley, eggs, garlic, black pepper, red pepper, and salt. So that's going to be yummy.
Parsley. I love parsley.
You love parsley? All right. The cavity is not huge in here. I'm going to get all this in there anyway, because if I don't know how I'm going to use it up.
Why are you stuffing the fish to cook it?
Okay, she asked why we're stuffing the fish. Well, for flavor, just so there'll be something in that cavity and it'll taste so good. Oh, it smells good with this crab. We're going to have leftover. I might figure out something to do with the leftover. I'm not going to waste it. Okay, this is easy. I'm just putting this in the pan. I think I overstuffed him. Is that how we feel on Thanksgiving? We're overstuffed. Okay, I'm putting him here in this pan. Yeah, I overstuffed him. This is my first time to cook a whole fish. It's going to be good.
This is going to be yummy. Why are you putting lemons on me?
Okay, Little Miss Homemaker has our lemons on our fish. Fresh lemon from the market. Olive oil we purchased from the market. Put MCT oil on the bottom. We're going to put it in a, oh, it's nice. Put it in a 400-degree oven for about 40 minutes or so. We'll check. Like I said, it's our first time. Here we go. Thanks for joining us at the Gulf of Mexico. When in Florida, do as Floridians do. That's what we're working on. We're learning. Okay, friends. Well, we've got the final product. We've got frugal eating on the beach. At least it's more frugal than going out for the 7 of us. Here's what it looked like. It's flaky. I've already checked it. Crab meat stuffing from the fish market. Smells good. They tell me the red snapper is a meatier fish. Not as meaty as tuna, but it is meatier. So we're going to enjoy that. So there you go. Eating at the beach.